Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing. Since you liked my previous video on Xiaomi self-adhesive hooks for kitchen, this is another unboxing of different hooks made by the same company called HL. And these are 3-piece Xiaomi Mijia HL little adhesive hooks. So since they only come in pieces of in 3 pieces in box, I ordered 2 boxes. One box is slightly crushed, so we'll have to see whether the hooks made it alive. Let's hope they did. And here they are. These are different hooks than the previous ones. There's some HL paper. It's not instruction manual. You don't need instruction manual for that. And here are the hooks. Let's see how to take them out. Okay. So these are great for hanging towels. They have a rubbery top, so the towels won't slip. As you can see, there is, as you can probably see, there is HL logo on it. I'll catch the right angle. And of course 3M self-adhesive back. So these are slightly more expensive than the ones that I did review previously because there are only 3 pieces of those. Let's see what else is there. There is a alcohol pad so you can clean the surface before gluing them onto the wall or shelf or wherever you want to put them. So here they are. These are available on AliExpress for around $6-7 a box. So that means that 6 pieces will cost you around $12 to $14. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If you like my channel, please subscribe.